Hey guys, kindly feast your eyes because in this video I'm gonna show you 15 of the best hidden websites that you can take them as underground treasures that help you to make money online. And now let's begin with the first tool, that is swipefile.com. Here in this wonderful platform you can find the most successful ads from various brands and companies on social media as you see. So you can make the best of this amazing website to improve your marketing campaigns, your announcements, your offers to be more attractive and grab in more scrolling eyes. So this website is swipefile.com. And the next website quickly, that is pouringcashcow.com. Here you can take this amazing website as a beautiful resource that shows you the business models that make a lot of money just from a simple idea. So for example, if you can head over to these business models, so you can go to this one for example, and here you can find a description of this SaaS software or a website just to turn a simple and basic idea into a moneymaker machine as you see. And more of these beautiful and successful business models for your work and for many fields on the internet. So you can get inspired with these models and you can work in their strategy. And the next tool quickly, that is checklist.gg. Here you can find huge amounts of the best checklists in any topic or any niche you like. So here when you land on this website, you can head over to this one, templates, and here you can find over 1000 free checklists for many niches like SEO, marketing, sales, and more as you see in these categories. So if you click over one of them like this one, compliance checklist, here you can find amazing checklist that you can print out as a PDF. And for sure you can also make your own checklist using AI in this amazing website for free with no cost at you at all. Of course you can leverage this amazing website to take all these checklists in your marketing campaigns, or you can sell them as digital product or a giveaway to get emails from your audience. And I just talked about this amazing strategy. You can find this video down below in the description box and the first comment. So this website is checklist.gg. And now we can move on to the next one, that is Photography.com. Likewise, here you can find huge amounts of cheat sheets in different topics in different niches for programming, software, business and marketing, games, home and health, education, and much more. So here you can leverage this amazing website to get beautiful and amazing cheat sheets for your audience as email marketing and as digital products as you like. And for sure, it's for free. And the next tool quickly, that is flipboard.com, one of the most popular magazine in the USA, that you can take advantage of this amazing website as a directory to the best posts and videos from everywhere. So if you are a content creator, just you can post here your articles and your YouTube videos to get more exposure and get more traffic to your websites and your YouTube videos. So this website is flipboard.com. And the next website quickly, that is Archive.ph or Archive.today. Here you can use this amazing website to unlock any paywall or any paid article in any platform you like. And for sure, medium.com. And for sure, I just mentioned this amazing website from the best and the forbidden websites to make money online. You can find this list down below in the description box and the first comment. The next tool quickly, that is minds.com. Here you can take this amazing website as a social media such as Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and so on, where you can share your ideas and your opinions, stories as you like with no limit at all. So here you can search for any minds or any group, in other words, so you can post your YouTube videos, your articles, or even your affiliate links with no restriction. And for sure, it's for free. And the next tool quickly, that is AIFreePax.com. It's one of the most mind-blowing websites that contain over 500 AI templates that cover any business models in the internet, like social media, content generation, plugin, sales, YouTube, education, and much more. And for sure, I just talked about this amazing website previously in details. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. And the next tool quickly, that is iCandy.com. If you want to get ideas to capture your videos and get more views, so this website is for you. Here you can find many of these video clips with different video effects or angles to get your videos with Hollywood scenes. So you can get inspired with all these video clips to apply on your own video. And the next tool quickly, that is yarn.co. For sure, some of you know this amazing website to get tons of the video clips for any phrase that you like. So basically here you can search for any word or sentences, and it gives you back a lot of different video clips from different movies, series, and much more that contain this specific word or this sentence, as you see. For sure, you can use this amazing website to spice up your videos with different memes, with different scenes that apply a sense of humor and a confirmation. And the next tool quickly, that is, if you head over to Google and look for something like Telegra.ph and head over to the first result, here you can get one of the best landing pages to promote your articles, videos, products, and much more for free. So here you can insert your article, for example, as you can do on medium.com or any other publishing platform. Then you can go to this button, publish your article, and take your link that you can spread everywhere, even on Pinterest.com. So you can use this landing page to get more traffic to your website, affiliate links, YouTube videos, and so forth. And likewise, this amazing website, that is Justpist.it. Basically, it's a note website. Here you can use the amazing website as a landing page to promote what you want for free. And the next tool quickly, that is Odin.net. Here you can find one of the best photo directory to get free images from free platforms for commercial use. Simply you can search for anything you want, like Instagram or Pinterest or anything else like Pairs, and this website gives you back all images that contain your keyword or your element in all free platforms, including Pixabay, Unsplash, Republic, porn images, Fujisuite, and much more of these beautiful free platforms. And the next tool quickly, that is Trends24.in. Here you can get the most trending hashtags on Twitter for free, just in 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago, or even the past few minutes. So here you can go to this one drop down menu and look for your country you are targeting, like the USA, so on. Then you can find the most trending hashtags on Twitter regarding this country. The last tool quickly in this list, toolxox.com. Here in this amazing website, you can find huge amounts of mind-blowing tools that you can use in your work. Starting with a basic free online image editor with these amazing customization tools, or you can go to these amazing tools like AI tools. You can find amazing ones like Midjourney, image generator, enhancer, filter effects, article rewriter, text to speech, face swapping, and much more. Or you can go text contents or downloaders or SEO tools to get the best keywords for different platforms, including e-commerce platforms or from different popular websites like Bing, DuckDuckGo, or freelance keywords from Fiverr, Udemy, or social media as well, like Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and so on and so forth. And for sure, you can use this amazing website for free. So you can take advantage of these amazing websites in your work for free with no limit as you like. And for sure, you can find all these URLs down below in the description box on the first comment. And by the end of the video, thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.